Hi everyone. Today, we will show you how to export a high-quality PDF step by step. Whether we are creating documents, designs, presentations, or printable files, this tutorial will help us keep our PDF sharp and professional. On our computer or laptop, if we want to export a high-quality PDF, all we need to do is open canva.com and create our PDF there. Once we have finished editing, all we need to do is click the button in the upper right corner to export it to our computer in the highest quality. Once we are there, we just need to click Downloads in the Share menu, where we can choose the file type. We can choose PDF for printing, which is best for print and follows the PDF standard. From here, we can compress the PDF, use Platinum PDF, or include notes. We can also adjust the quality settings to get the best result. Once we are happy with the settings, we just need to click Download. This allows us to export our PDF at the best possible quality by adjusting the resolution, compression, and export settings. Once the download is complete, all we need to do is check that it has downloaded properly on our desktop. Once we can see it on our computer, that's it. We now know how to export a high-quality PDF.